CR0580. State is represented by Mr. Salisbury. Defendant is present via video at the jail. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, do you have a lawyer?
I was going to ask for a representation from Christine Russo.
Okay. Have you retained her?
No, sir. They told me to wait till retain a lawyer or get a lawyer whenever I came to court today.
Okay. So have you filled out a financial disclosure form?
No, sir. It was for court-appointed lawyer.
Okay. That's what I'm referring to. So have you
Yes,
filled
sir.
out a financial disclosure form?
No, sir. I haven't.
Okay. Are you employed?
No, sir. I'm not.
When's the last time you worked?
It was in April of this year.
Okay, so that's 6-7 months ago. What did you do?
I worked at Pilot. It was a gas station, travel center.
Okay, and so what have you been doing for the last 6-7 months to support yourself?
I graduated from Ohio Media and Broadcasting School, and right now I get disability, and I've just been staying at my mom's right now and helping out. She has disability as well, so like I've been helping out with her.
Okay, and you have asked for Attorney Russo to represent you, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how do you know Attorney Russo?
She was actually recommended, and my brother told me about it. Told me about her.
All right. Court will make a provisional finding that you're indigent. We do need to have the financial disclosure form filled out.
Okay.
And the court will appoint Attorney Christine Russo to represent you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, I'm sorry.
Good morning, Ms. Russo.
Trying to get a little updated here. Okay. Mr. Kerley, you've got 2 cases. Did you receive the indictments in both those cases?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, did you read them?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so you understand what you're being charged with?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your Honor, we will acknowledge receipt of the indictment
Okay, so before you go forward, let's handle each of these individually.
separately?
Yes.
Okay.
So the first case, which is 2025 CR 0646, has 2 counts on it. The first count is kidnapping, F1, second count is burglary, F2.
Okay. And then the second one's the F4 forgery? Is that right? Because that's what Mr.
I
Salisbury
believe
said.
F5 forgery.
F5 forgery, okay. All right, sorry, Judge. Okay. Starting over then. In case number 2025-0646, Mr. Kerley does acknowledge receipt of those 2 indictments in excess of 24 hours. He will waive their reading in open court, enter pleas of not guilty to both counts, and then I would like to be heard on bond after I could read the court's bond report.
Note to waive the reading of the indictment in open court, acknowledgement of receipt more than 24 hours in advance of today's hearing, and will enter a plea of not guilty to the 2 counts contained in that indictment. Mr. Salisbury, bond.
Yes, Judge, thank you. We actually requested a $500,000 cash bond. The municipal court set a $75,000 10% bond. We would ask that the bond be $500,000 and we committed this while the other case was pending. But moreover, judges, for the protection of the community, safety of the community, and for his own safety, we would ask for $500,000 cash bond.
Ms. Russo?
Again, Your Honor, Mr. Salisbury did advise me he was gonna ask for an increase in the bond from municipal court, but I didn't walk over and read that bond report. It's an F1, I don't know if I'm prepared at this point without meeting with him, arguing it, but I could read the bond report.
If you would like to take a minute to glance it over, Mr. Salisbury, do you have it?
I don't, no.
Can I approach probation, Your Honor? Thank you. Judge, after reviewing the bond report, I think that a lower bond would be appropriate, and maybe in fact with some additional safeguards such as probation recommended, like house arrest and things. It doesn't appear that he has any other criminal history, and, or failures to appear. They do recommend assessments upon release. The only thing was they wanted the address verified, so I would ask if we could verify the address and get him a reasonable bond or, you know, of some nature that he could possibly get out and then, be on house arrest with the no contact. There's obviously, we would agree to any no contact order that the court would find appropriate.
The court is gonna set bond at $500,000 cash, for surety. If he does post the bond, he is gonna be subject to electronic monitoring and court's costs, and there's to be no contact, with the victim. And Ms. Russo, you can file a bond, motion at a later time if you, get, more information. Could I
Thank you,
have a
Judge.
trial date inside 90 days?
January 5th,
Pretrial?
December 30th,
Very good. All right, let's move on to the next case, which is, sir, you gotta stay right there, which is the 2025 CR 0580. This one is the passing a bad check case.
Okay, Your Honor, so in case number 2025-0580, we do acknowledge receipt of the indictment in excess of 24 hours. We will waive its reading in open court under pleas of not guilty. And at this time, we would just ask, is there a bond set in this matter?
Looks like it was set at 10,000, 10%.
And just that the original bond be continued at this time.
I note that the defendant has waived reading of the indictment in open court, has acknowledged receipt of that indictment more than 24 hours in advance of today's hearing, will enter plea of not guilty to the one count contained in the indictment. Mr. Salisbury, bond?
That's fine, Judge. We're not asking for any increase in that bond. We'd ask it to be continued.
Okay. So in that matter, the bond will be continued at the 10,000, 10%. Could I have a trial date outside 90 days?
February 9th,
Pre-trial?
February 5th,
All right, very good, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay, Mr. Curley, I'll see you later, okay? Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Next matter is State versus